Hey everyone, Tony here from XLI.com, and just want to show you guys our new Walkera sample that we got in. This is the Walkera 4F200, and as you guys can see, it's a 3-bladed helicopter, and it's fully collective, so you guys can do some cool 3D moves with it. And also, the tail back here, it's also 3-bladed, which is very nice. It's a torque tubing tail setup with a direct servo right here on this link, and you have full control of this tail right here, which is very nice. Should provide a lot of tail authority. So I haven't actually flown this helicopter yet, so I have no idea how it's gonna fly. So this flight would be the first maiden flight with this Walkera 4F200. Let me take off this canopy and show you guys what's hiding underneath. And this is a pretty different helicopter setup. It has, it features the Walkera's newer frame. It's like a new frame layout right here. It's kind of like a shrunken down of the Walkera, the gasser one, the nitro one, the 83. The frame setup, got the little fiber frames right here, metal blocks for the bearing, head blocks and everything. Got a 2-cell lithium polymer battery pack. It's a 1500 milliamps, so it's a little bit bigger than the other helicopters, but it's the same size, but also it weighs a little bit heavier. But you know, the weight shouldn't really matter with this 3-bladed head right here. We got the brushless motor right down here. We have the 20 amp ESC with Walkera's special connector right here. We got the digital servos all the way around, also the digital tail servo. And the heart of the whole system right here is this, it's all-in-one unit with the receiver and gyros built in, so that's pretty neat. You got the 3-axis gyro built in here, and it's fully adjustable, so you can always turn down the gain or increase it for more stability. Kind of starting there for a moment there, guys, but excuse me for that. Kind of not enough water, so. But enough of me talking, and let's fly this helicopter and show you guys how well this thing flies, or how it flies actually. I haven't flown it yet, so no idea how it flies. Let me plug it in. Alright guys, before I fly, I just want to show you guys the swash setup. It has a 120-degree swash setup with the three servos controlling it, so that's pretty nice. And right now I have it at about 50% on the travel adjustment right here, but you can turn it up to give it more throw, or you can turn it down to give it less throw. But I'll put at 50% at just a base point to see how this helicopter actually flies. And also the tail right here, you know, headlock gyro, fully movable right here, so that's very neat. Should provide a lot of tail authority. So we put it down and fly. Basically, it's almost hands off, so it's a little up to, and now it's just hands off. Very nice. Ooh, lots of power. is a different helicopter to fly. It flies like a helicopter, obviously, but with the 3-bladed head right here, it has a different feeling to it, you know? Since this right here is the first maiden flight, I have no idea how it actually flies just, so I didn't do any 3D, I just hovered around. And I could probably bump up the servo throws a little bit because it was a little too low. And if I bumped it up, it gives you more cyclics, because as you can see there, like the cyclics was a little bit too little to actually do some, you know, for a flight, because it kind of like doesn't have enough to pull it back. So that was, you know, first maiden flight. So basically that was out the box. Everything was just, you know, basically charge the battery, put in the batteries in the transmitter, and fly. And I never had a chance to fine tune it yet, so, but you know, this first maiden flight, just want to show you guys how this helicopter looks, how it actually flies. So you guys have to stay tuned for some more flight videos, which I'll be posting up very shortly, of some 3D. Hopefully I could do 3D with it, because I have no idea how it flies yet, so, but it flies very nice. Really smooth. It had a little humming noise, but that was just from the balance connector rubbing on this battery. You see a little mark in here, so just kind of rubbing in there, so that kind of had a little buzzing, little humming noise. It's kind of annoying, but it might not show up in the video. I don't know, but hopefully you guys don't get annoyed by it. So that's pretty much it of the short flight review of this new Walkera helicopter in action. So, you know, leave us a comment below, guys. What you guys think about this helicopter? You guys like it? And I have no idea on the price yet, so I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask what's the price on it. I have no idea, but should be pretty much affordable, because, you know, it's Walkera, and since this is a new setup, a new you know, 3-axis gyro, it will cost a little bit more than a typical, you know, fixed pitch helicopter or the collective pitch helicopter, but don't expect to be too much from these Walkera helicopters. And stay tuned, guys, for some more flight reviews, because I'll be doing some more testing outside in the wind, and hopefully I can do some 3D, because I haven't properly set up this helicopter yet, so I have no idea on the pitch range or the cycle range yet, because basically I'll just plug in the battery and fly it for you guys. So I'm gonna go back to the office, you know, look at it some more, adjust it a little bit, and hopefully I can do some 3D with this helicopter. So that's pretty much it of the flight review, so thanks for watching, guys.